Howdy traders! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Affinity Funding, a rapidly growing player in the prop trading world. If you've been curious about their recent updates and whether they're worth your time, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore their funding options, key features, and what makes them stand out in this competitive market. Stick around until the end, as I've got an exclusive discount code just for you. 1. What is Affinity Funding? 1. Overview. Established in April 2021 and headquartered in Budapest, Hungary, offers both two-step evaluation and instant funding programs. Owns a brokerage called Definitive Markets, aiming for full regulation in 2023. 2. Key objectives. Designed for traders seeking flexible funding options. Focus on identifying disciplined and consistent traders. Affinity Funding is a legitimate and versatile prop trading firm that caters to a wide range of traders. 2. Funding program options. 2.1 Evaluation Challenge Program. Account sizes. Options range from $2,500 to $200,000. A profit targets. Phase 1. Reach 7.5% profit within 30 days. Phase 2. Achieve 5% profit within 60 days. Risk management. Daily loss limit of 5% and overall loss limit of 10%. Payout structure. First payout after 2 days of trading, with weekly payouts thereafter. Profit split ranges from 75% to 95% based on the scaling phase. The Evaluation Challenge Program rewards consistency, making it a strong option for disciplined traders. 2.2 Instant Funding Program. Account sizes. Similar range of $2,500 to $100,000. Immediate earnings. Start trading and earning immediately without the evaluation phase. A profit targets. Daily loss limit of 5% and overall loss limit of 8%. Profit split ranges from 55% to 75%. The Instant Funding Program is perfect for traders who want to skip the evaluation and start earning right away. 3. Customizable trading options. 1. Flexible trading styles. Traders can hold positions overnight and trade during news events, unlike many other firms. 2. Available trading instruments. Access to Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. 3. Scaling plans. Both funding programs have scaling options, allowing traders to grow their accounts based on performance. Affinity Funding's flexibility makes it appealing to a variety of trading strategies. 4. No gambling mentality rule. 1. What it means. Traders must avoid reckless trading behaviors, such as risking too much of their capital on single trades. 2. Key violations. Risking 100% of the daily loss limit in open trades. Not using stop losses consistently. Maintaining a disciplined trading approach is essential for success with Affinity Funding. 5. Community and support. 1. Customer feedback. Positive reviews on Trustpilot highlight exceptional customer support and diverse account sizes. 2. Educational resources. A modern dashboard and extensive educational materials are available to traders. The strong community and support system adds significant value for traders at Affinity Funding. So there you have it. Affinity Funding is making waves in the prop trading industry with its user-friendly approach and flexible options. Whether you're looking for an evaluation challenge or instant funding, they've got something for you. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and drop your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos on prop trading. Check the link in the description for your exclusive discount code. Take advantage of this offer and happy trading. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.